What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove tags on Facebook. If someone tags you in a post and you want to remove it, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. To remove tag, you open your Facebook. I'm going to use this post as an example. What you have to do is click on the three dot menu at the top right corner and click on remove tag. Click on confirm. As you can see right here, the tags has been removed. I'm no longer tagged in that post. So to take it a step further, you can go to your settings and turn on review tags. So when someone tags you in a post, you have to approve it manually. To do that, go to your settings. Scroll down and click on profile and tagging. Here you turn on review tagging. So when someone tags you in a post, it's not going to apply on your timeline automatically. It's up to you to approve it. So that's how you remove tags on Facebook. That's all for this video.